So in this session, we will discuss about joins. Okay, and types of joins we will discuss. First one is inner join, left join, right join, cross join, self join. Okay, so most probably in real time we will use these three types of joins. Okay, in some cases we will use self join. First of all, what is join? So joins means it is used to join the two tables based on the column. Okay, so and we can get the columns from two tables. Like here, select star from EMP and select star from DB. Here, what will be the common column? Department number. Okay, so we used to join these two tables based on the department number so that we can able to retrieve the column names from employee table as well as we can able to retrieve the column names from department table. Okay, so how to write the join query? So select from EMP. Inner join DEPT B on D dot EMP DEPT number equal to D dot DEPT number. And if you don't mention here star, we put just star here, then see all the columns from two tables we will able to see. So up to this employee table, after this department table. If we want to fetch the specified columns, then we need to write like this. Suppose if you want to fetch the all column names from employee table, then we need to write like this, and specified column names from department table. So D dot D name. Okay, but here one more case. I don't want to fetch the all the columns from employee table. I want to fetch the specified column names. That means we need to specify that column names E dot E name, comma, and I want to specify all the columns from department table. So D dot star. That means here we will be able to get the all the column names from DEPT table, and we will get the specified column names from employee table. Okay, so this is the query. Here inner join means, so it returns the records from a table that has matching rows in another table. Okay, so whatever the department number exists in both the tables, that records only we will get to see. Okay, and shortcut form, see this. Matched records from both tables, that is inner join shortcut form. Okay. And left join, matched records from both tables plus left, that means unmatched records from left table. Right join means unmatched records from right table. Okay, here. Observe this here. Actually, in department table, we have 4 department numbers 40, 30, 20, 10. But in employee table, we have only 3 department numbers 10, 20, 30. So 40 is not available in employee table. So we don't fetch that 40 department number. We can't fetch. Why? Because it is not available in employee table. Okay. So after execution of this query, we will not be able to see that department number 40. Why? Because it exists only in department table. It does not exist in employee table. If you put left join, then see what will happen. Left join means left table match records from both tables plus unmatched records from left table. So left table means this one. So inner join plus unmatched records from left table. So here you will not be able to observe that difference, but you can observe the difference whenever we insert one record into employee table. I am inserting one record, some dummy record 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so see this one record has been inserted. Observe this here, that record you will not be able to see. Why? Because inner join, you have used inner join, only 14 records, but in employee table 15 records are there. Okay, this 1, 2, 3, 4 you will not be able to see. And this, if you execute left join, that means match records from both tables and unmatched record. What will be the unmatched record? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that one also you can able to see. See this 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is left join. Use right join. Then in department table 40 department number is there. Okay, that record you can able to see. See this. For this 40 record, employee number, employee name is null. Okay, so I am going to execute all the queries, 3 queries. First one is inner join, so match records from both tables. So how many records? 14 records. Okay, next second data set is left join. How many records? 15 records. So what will be the 15th record? 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Because it is available in employee table. It does not have any department number. And third data set, right join. So right join means in department table 40 department number was there. It does not exist in employee number, so that record is also fetched with the values of employee number and employee name is null. Okay, so this is about inner join, left join, right join. Suppose here, see this, for department number 40, employee number, employee name has been null. That means it doesn't have any employees. You write like this, employee number is not null. Then what will happen? This query, sorry, this record will not be fetched. See this. That record will not be fetched. 14 records are there. Why? Because I have put one condition, employee number is not null, and it is important. Employee employee number. You must give column names like this only. Okay. So here one important observation is here if you give alias name to the table, then you must give alias name to the column names also. in select query. Otherwise, what type of error you will get, I will show you. Here, salary column, I didn't give any alias name for sal column. You can able to fetch, but I am giving department number in select query. Here, one error is there. Column department number in field list is ambiguous. That means this error indicates department number exists in both tables, employee table and department table. Okay, from which table I have to fetch that column. So this type of question it is raised. Okay, so that my suggestion is please give alias name to the each and every column name in select query so that we can avoid such type of errors. Okay, here salary, for salary I didn't give. So you may ask, so without giving the alias name also you are not getting any error, but in future you will get the issue. Okay, so in order to avoid such type of errors, so that it is better to give alias names for each and every column in select query. In real time, I have faced this kind of errors in earlier. That's why I'm telling. So I have created one table and two tables. So in one table, like department salary column is there in some A table. Okay, assume like that. And B table, it does not have any salary column. So simply I have written that query. After few days, I have created sal column in B table. Okay, once that procedure has been executed, this kind of exception throws. Okay, so that it is better to give the alias name for each and every column. Next, cross join. Cross join means just like Cartesian production of rows from multiple tables. So select star from EMP. So cross join DEPT. This. How many records? 60 records. Wait a minute. Here one record has been inserted. So I am going to delete that record. Employee number equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's save SQL underscore updates. So now in employee table 14 records are there and department table 4 records are there. So Cartesian product means 14 into 4, 56 records. So 56 records you will get. Okay, so how it will fetch, like, see, this entire record, okay, will come for 4 times with department number of 10, 20, 30, 40. Again, this entire record come for 4 times. Okay, so that is Cartesian join. See this. 10, 20, 30, 40, same record. Okay, so next, self join. So self join means, wait a minute, select star from EMP, join EMP. See here, employee number is there, manager is there, both are employee numbers. Okay, so manager, this employee number is also exist in same table only, 7902. Okay, 7902. So this one also exists in same table. Sorry. This. So 7369 exists. This is the employee number, and for this employee number, who is the manager? 7902. This 7902 also exists in employee table. That name is called Ford. So here there is a requirement, like I want employee name and manager name. So how do you write the query? Self join means a table itself join with same table. Okay, self join. So how do you write the query? Here, give the alias name E1, E2 on E1 dot MGR equal to E2 dot employee number, and E1 dot ename, comma E2 dot ename. See, for Smith, who is 7902, Ford. Smith, Ford. So execute this query. Smith, Ford, and you can write, yeah, E1 dot employee number, E1 dot MGR. Series 7902 for 7902. Who is the manager? 7566. Who is 7566? See this. Jones. So Ford Jones, correct. And so wait a minute. This is EMP name. This one is MGR name. This is the employee number, manager. So 79, we can easily know that, yeah. is 7369. Manager is 7902. 73697902. So what is 7369 means? Who is 7369 means? Smith. 7902 means Smith. 7902 Ford. Smith Ford. Next, we take another one to check. 7900 James. 7698 for James, who is 7698. 76 Blake for James. Employee name Blake. It has to come. James Blake. James Blake. Right. You can take another one. Miller 7934 7782. So what will be Miller? Miller Clark, manager name. Who is 7782? Clark. Okay. So query is correct. So simple. A table itself join with same table. Okay. So first, same as usual for inner join and left join, right join. Employee join with employee, but I have taken two alias names. Okay, so one is for returning employee name, manager, employee number, and manager. Okay, so I have written same employee name, employee number, and MGR for E1, and I have written employee name for E2, which is called manager name. And here joins with E1 dot MGR equal to E2 dot employee number. Okay, so that it can able to fetch all the records. Okay, so this is about self join. So here this MGR should be equal to employee number. Okay, so that's it about joins.